Breaking just coming in. That PM Modi has announced an ex gratia of 2 lakh from PMNRF to be given to the next of kin of each deceased in the unfortunate incident at a political rally in Karur, Tamil Nadu. The injured would be given rupees 50,000 each. The Karur incident last night, which killed 40 people. Yes, so Purnima is back live with us. So Purnima, you just mentioned that better planning could have obviously prevented the situation. Could you please tell us a little bit more, apart from the compensation part, that what else the authorities are doing on ground to, better the situation at the moment?
Well, in fact, people who were eyewitnesses there and people who've lost their family members say that everybody thought that Vijay would reach Karur by 1 p.m., which is why many of their family members had left the residences as early as 9 a.m., 10 a.m., and they waited. And by 4:35, the family members, this gentleman, he tried reaching out to his wife, asking her to come back because it was 4:30. There was no sign of Vijay anywhere closer to the rally point. So he wanted his wife and daughter back, and he tried reaching out to them, but they had some network issues. He sent a voice note. They were not able to. The wife did not get the audio note. Had they got it, maybe he feels that they could have come back. But everybody there was in fact waiting for Vijay, and that's why some of them say that that is also one of the reasons. The delay in the schedule is also one of the reasons why many people did not have food, and it was also hot. Therefore, these are some of the reasons that are cited by the family members who've lost their dear ones. But at the moment, they do not want to blame anybody. They also feel that they do not want to blame any party. Their own family members could have come back, considering that the crowds were only getting bigger and bigger by the hour. But for now, we'll have to wait for the investigation to get over. Police officers also maintain that the investigation is on. However, the Thamizhaga Vetri Kalagam's Karur secretary and 2 others, including Busi Anand and Nirmal Kumar, they've been booked under 5 sections in connection with the Karur tragedy for not organizing it well, leading to this huge tragedy late last night.